Most tyre shop owners make the same mistake when business goes quiet. The phones slow down, the workshop feels empty, and panic kicks in. So what happens next? Prices get cut, discounts go live, margins disappear. But here's the problem no one talks about. More customers doesn't always mean more profit. Some tyre shops end up working twice as hard just to make less money. In this episode, we're breaking down why discounting can actually hurt your tyre business long term, what smart tyre shops do differently during slow periods, and how to stay profitable without racing to the bottom on price. And here's what makes it worse. Discounting can quietly train customers to wait for cheaper prices. The moment the offer ends, so do the customers. But smart tyre shops approach quiet periods differently. Instead of asking, "How do we lower prices?" they ask, "How do we create more value?" And that one shift changes everything. Think about it. Your easiest sale is usually someone who already trusts you. Existing customers. Yet, most shops completely ignore the customer database they already have. A simple WhatsApp message, an SMS reminder, or even a seasonal tyre check offer can bring customers back without cutting profit. This is where most tyre shops mess up. They chase new customers while forgetting the people already sitting in their contacts list. And here's something no one talks about. Quiet periods can actually be profitable if you use them right. Instead of focusing only on getting more cars in, focus on making a little more from every customer who already walks through the door. Wheel alignment, tyre upgrades, service bundles. Small additions might not seem like much, but over time they make a massive difference. Quick question: when business slows down, what's your first reaction? Do you reduce prices or rethink strategy? Let me know in the comments. Now don't skip this part, because this is where smart tyre businesses quietly pull ahead. Quiet weeks are actually the perfect time to strengthen the business behind the scenes. Ask happy customers for reviews. Better reviews today can mean more customers tomorrow. Train staff. Improve stock organization. Fix follow-up systems. Strong businesses don't waste slow periods, they prepare during them. And here's a mistake many tyre shops repeat over and over. They stop marketing when busy, then panic market when things get quiet. But visibility doesn't work like that. The strongest tyre businesses stay visible all year. Consistency beats panic every time. The real danger isn't having a quiet week. The real danger is damaging your profits long term through unnecessary discounting. Because sometimes the problem isn't price at all. Sometimes it's visibility, communication, follow-up, or convenience. So before cutting prices next time things slow down, ask yourself one question. Have I actually tried creating more value first? If this episode gave you a different way to think about quiet periods, hit subscribe for more practical tyre business advice. If you run a tyre shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages. Trusted by traders.